Align Max.
Your multivitamin.
Multivitamin.
Spread it out. Good job, Marcus. Now your turn, Miles. Your turn. Okay, back up. Okay, here, your turn, Miles. It's his turn now. Give it to Miles.
Hello. Welcome to Align Max.
Welcome to Align Max. This is a multivitamin. Watch out. Go ahead, do it, Miles.
This is the
Watch out.
immortal straight. See?
Yep. How's it taste?
Nice and delicious.
Nice and delicious. All right, guys. That's enough.
I love my beautiful